Get up. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here he goes.
Come on, keep coming. Come on. No, take it easy. Take it easy. Get up. No, get up. Get up. Come on, Booger, stand up. Stand up, buddy. Stand up. No, don't do that. Look at you. Stand up. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Rock on, brother. Here we go, down the hill. Oh! He handles the rough terrain. Okay, he comes up to the box. What you gonna do? Hey, you gonna walk right over to me? Come on. Walk right over here. No, without that. Leave that. Oh, you're gonna use it as far as you can. And now you're gonna walk over to me? Are you? Come on, let it go. Let it go. Come on. You wanna keep going? You wanna keep pushing it around the yard? You wanna come to me? I'll fix the thing and you can keep going. Look at. Okay, go ahead, go. All right, 11 months. How good is that? That's it, he can walk, he can ride.
Oh, he's stuck.
See? All he knows how to go is straight, no turns. Yep, that's it. There's no turns. Come on. You get going now. Little Rough Rider.